So I'm going to open the dice, then you roll it.
Okay.
Should I roll?
Yeah.
Okay. 6. What do we have on 6?
Chips.
Again,
Chips.
chips. The sound.
Chips. Chip.
Sound. Very good. Chip. Chips is chip. Okay. Let me see here. Make it 20. Okay. Let me roll here. 4 again. No. Let's go. 3. Let's get into it. We have 3.
Fish.
Sound.
Sh.
Oh, okay. Okay. SH sound. Sh. Very good. Very good. Let's roll it again. 6, 9. All right. 6 and 9. 6 chips, you've done it. 9.
Muth. Muth. Yeah.
Mood. Sound.
T. 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 T.
T,
T.
t, t. Very good. T, t, t. Okay. Let's roll it up again. We have 6, 3, 10. 6, 3, 10. Okay, 6, 3 is done. Now this is 10. What is this? 10. You remember the vocabulary?
Yeah. 1 minute.
What is it? 1 minute. Let me eat my rice.
Shoe.
Shoe. Seriously, 10. Shoe. Look at here. 4 is shoe.
No.
All right.
No.
10.
Chair.
Again,
Chair.
it's a chore. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Let's get 10 now.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Chore or
Sure.
dishes. Dishes. You remember dishes?
Yeah.
It's making the dishes. Yeah. So what is the sound?
Ch. Ch.
Very good. Ch, ch, ch. All right. Let's roll the dice again. Let me clear this. Let's roll this. 1. That's amazing. 1. What is this?
This is
This is what? I'm not going to remind you. Yeah? I'll give you the moment. 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Ship.
Ship. Very good. A ship. Very good. A ship. And what is the sound in ship? Very good. Very good. The sound in ship is sh. Let me roll this also then see. Okay, let's go again. We have 1 and 12. So let's get straight to 12. What is this?
Cheese.
Cheese. Very good. And what's the sound?
Ch.
Ch, ch, ch. Amazing. We have 9 and 7. Let's get to 7. What is 7?
Shark.
Shark. And what's the sound? Very good. Shh. Okay. Oh, I think we are doing well. All right. It's 14. Let's get to 14. What is this?
Wash.
Wash. And what? Ch.
No. Wash.
Okay, wash. So what is the sound?
Ch.
Wash. Ch. Seriously? Look at me.
No. It's
Very good. Very good. Wash. That is very good. That is the sound. Wash. Okay, that's amazing. In fact, let's roll the last dice and see. All right, we have, let me roll another one. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. We are going to roll 2 dice. All right, so 7 plus 8 is what? That is 15. So now let's go straight to 15. What is 15? Let me zoom it for you to see. This is what we are looking at. I'm sure you remember the vocabulary. This is what we are looking at. 15. Last one, and we are done. It starts with a TH. A TH, not a flower. Okay, a TH. With a TH. This is the last vocabulary. I know the rest is simple. Okay. Lamb, waiting for you. So TH. And then an N at the last.
What?
A TH and N at the last. What do you think?
Thor? Or no?
Again.
Thorn.
Thorn. That is it. Wow. That did you look anywhere or you just remembered?
No, no,
You
no,
remembered.
no.
Oh, mashallah. That's good. That's good. I'm so happy about that. Wow, that's a thorn. Very good. And what is the sound? What is the sound?
T.
Very good. Very good. Wow, that's amazing. I'm very much impressed. Whoa. Okay, so the rest of the vocabulary, no more rolling of dice. I'm just going to circle it. Then you mention it. What is this?
Splash.
Splash and not through, right? Very good. And this?
Earth.
This?
This is almost.
Yes, I'll give you the 1 minute. Start with a TH. TH sound.
Yeah.
Again, it starts with a
Almost.
TH sound. Yes, I'll give you that 1 minute. Let me help you with this. And you see it's TH and it ends in ER.
Thunder.
Thunder. Very good.
Thunder.
Thunder. All right. And what's the sound in thunder?
T.
Okay. The next one is very, very simple. I know you know it. This
Kiss.
chairs. And what's the sound?
Ch.
Very good. The next one,
This math.
mat. What's the sound?
T.
Very good. And this?
Almost.
No problem. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. If you don't know something in class,
Think.
you think about it. Yes. And what is the sound here?
T.
Very good. Very good. All right, Azam, I think we've looked at all. In fact, what is this? The second one. What is this?
Cherry.
Cherry
5.
and this?
Shell.
And this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And 5 is what?
Shell.
Chow. Seriously? Look at it very well. Is it a ch sound or a sh sound?
Shell.
Shell. Very good. Shell. So what is the sound?
Yeah.
Ch or sh? Sh. Very good. Very good. And oh, the last one. What is this? What is that?
Shower.
Okay, maybe. Let's say shower. And what is the sound in shower?
Ch.
Again, shower. Ch,
Ch,
or
ch,
ch. Ch is shower. Shower.
shower,
Uh-huh.
shower. Sh,
Very good. Shower. And what if I say it's bath? What's the sound in bath?
bath. T, t, t.
Very good. Very good. So Azam, I think we are almost done with our class. Our time is almost up, and yes, we are done for today's lesson. Tomorrow we're going to continue in with this. See that? That's a lot.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll roll a dice again, and I'm going to ask you these questions. Right? Don't look at it.
Yeah.
All right, Azam. Thank you. Oh, did you screenshot it? Oh my God.
No.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So, Azam, thank you very much, and I hope to meet you in our next lesson. Okay.
Okay.
Please tell your sister to prepare. I'll come to class in the next 5-6 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
All right then. Wassalam.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.